Consistency, consistency, consistency. Hi, and welcome to the Law Simplified, the world's largest independent online law school platform. I'm your instructor, Shaveen Bandadnaik. For nearly 15 years now, I have had one de-stressing aspect of my life. If you are a one-on-one student, either in the Masterclass or fast-track programs of mine, you've often heard me say how I really enjoy running. I wake up in the morning around 4:30, 4:45 a.m. and I make sure that almost on a day-to-day basis, knees pending and pain pending, I try to allocate at least 45 minutes to do a relatively spirited run around the city. As much as it is about your own well-being and health, it's also a de-stressing mechanism for me where I think, I unload, and I prepare for the rest of the day. When it comes to an examination, when it comes to your degree, when it comes to any academic qualification for that matter, whether it is in terms of law or any other subject area, the one recommendation that I can make to you as a student preparing for an examination or an assignment submission on how not just to pass an examination but ace it altogether is to maintain a level of consistency in terms of preparation. If I stop running today and then try to pick it up a couple of weeks from now, irrespective of the 15 years of experience in running that I have, it's going to be tough. I'm not going to perform as well. Not that I would forget how to run, the techniques in terms of pacing, in terms of pain management and energy management, but it'll be harder than it was 2 weeks ago. The same is true about your preparation in terms of law and any other subject area for that matter. The important thing is to keep at it and to keep going consistently. If you're answering questions to prepare in terms of an examination, keep doing it on a day-to-day basis. Don't write one answer over a span of a couple of days or several weeks. Make sure that you do so from an examination context. Limit yourself to the time allotted and do so even if you don't finish it. Stop at the time frame. Improve on it next time. Try and reflect on what you did wrong, where you could summarize, and then move on to the next one and the next one and so on. In terms of achieving greatness in your examinations and in terms of achieving greatness in academics altogether, you need to keep in mind that it's all about incremental growth. It's not that you're going to wake up one day and be a first-class law student. It's something that you have to hone in terms of a technique over time. No different to training for a sport or making sure that you're getting ready for a marathon on the one hand, or an important game day in terms of basketball, cricket, or football. It's all about putting that consistent effort in throughout a particular period of time that's allotted to you. In your case, as a law student, that is the semester that you've been provided. If you like the type of content that I make on this YouTube channel, as well as the different platforms the Law Simplified is disseminated on, do subscribe to the Law Simplified. And leave a comment below so that I have an idea of what other types of content would be helpful to you in your academic and career prospects in law. I would highly recommend having a look at the comprehensive online law school platform, complete with theory, tutorial, and workshop lessons based on the actual one-on-ones that I've conducted over the past decade with first-class law students globally. So, remember, consistency, consistency, consistency. That being said, until the next time that we speak, have fun, stay safe, and as always, obey the law.